In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video on Substack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to drop a YouTube player right inside your Substack post so readers can watch without leaving the page. We're keeping it simple. Open your post, grab the YouTube link, and paste it in the body. Substack will do the rest automatically. First, make sure you're signed into your Substack account and you're on your dashboard. Head to the posts area where you can see your drafts and published posts. This is where you'll choose the piece you want to add the video to. If you have a lot of posts, a quick scan or a search can help you find the right one. Next, locate the specific post and open its options menu. You'll usually see this is a three-dot icon to the right of the post title. Click that, then choose Edit. This opens the post in the Substack editor so you can make changes to the content. Now switch over to YouTube and open the video you want to embed. Under the video, click the share button, then click Copy to grab the link. Using the share button ensures you get a clean, standard URL that Substack recognizes. You don't need the full embed code or any HTML, just the regular YouTube link is perfect. Head back to the Substack editor and place your cursor exactly where you want the video to appear in the body of your post. Paste the YouTube link directly into the editor. Substack automatically detects YouTube links and converts them into an embedded player. For best results, make sure the link is on its own line, with a bit of space around it, so the editor can clearly identify it. You should see the player appear in a moment. If the embed doesn't show right away, give it a second or two. Double check that you pasted a normal YouTube URL, and not an iframe or shortened link with extra parameters. Also, keep in mind that private or restricted videos may not embed properly, so a public or unlisted video usually works best. Once the player is visible, you can continue writing around it. Add a short introduction of the video and any notes or links below it to provide context for your readers. The player will adapt to your post's width, so there's nothing special you need to configure. That's all it takes to embed a YouTube video on Substack. Open the post, edit it, copy the YouTube share link, and paste it into the body. Simple, clean, and quick. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your posts with video.